Hello, welcome back. I'm excited to share with you 3 easy French pin hairstyles. They're elegant, simple, and super quick. Let's get started. First, a classic, the French twist. Gather all your hair and hold it in your right hand at the nape of your neck. Place your middle finger and index finger on your left hand to the right of your ponytail, pointing down. Wrap your ponytail to the right around your fingers, and then twist your fingers one full twist to the left as you bring them to the top of your head. Twisting one more time to help shorten your ends and push them against your head to hold in place. Then gently pull on the top of your twist to create that French twist look. Amazing. Now take the tips of your hair fork and insert them to the right of your fingers, pushing the fork out the right side of your twist, then against your head. Flip the fork to the right and slide it into the left, locking the style in place. And if you'd like, you can simply twist and tuck away your ends, and you have yourself a beautiful French twist. So elegant and chic. Next, a gorgeous low bun, perfect for casual or fancy occasions. Gather all your hair and hold it in your left hand at the nape of your neck, making sure your thumb is underneath your ponytail. Next, grab your ponytail with your right hand and wrap it down and around your thumb. This creates the bun shape. Then wrap it counterclockwise over the base, forming the top. Then continue wrapping your remaining ends around and under your bun. Beautiful. Now take the tips of your hair fork and insert them to the right of your fingers. Push the fork out the right side of your bun, then against your head. Flip the fork to the right, slide it in to the left, locking your bun in place. And you have yourself a gorgeous low bun. It's my summer staple. Finally, an elegant half-up hairstyle, perfect for when you want to keep your hair out of your face but still showcase your hair. Place your thumbs in front of your ears and trace upwards to the crown of your head, completely sectioning off the top part of your hair from the rest. Place your middle and index fingers on your left hand to the right of your ponytail, pointing down. Wrap your ponytail to the right around your fingers, twisting your fingers a half twist to the left as you bring them to the top of your head, pushing against your head to hold it in place. Take the tips of your hair fork and insert them through the right side of your twist, then against your head. Flip your fork to the right side, slide it in and out the left side, securing the twist. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.